Determine delta y and dy for the function y equals x squared, where x equals 3 and delta x equals to 1/2. Delta y is y evaluated at x plus delta x minus y evaluated at x. In this problem, x is a 3 and delta x is a 1/2. So we have y of 3 plus 1/2 minus y of 3. We will want to add the 3 and the 1/2 together before evaluating y. 3 is 6/2 plus the 1/2. And adding those together, 6 plus 1 is 7/2. So we have y of 7/2 minus y of 3. These can be evaluated by plugging into the function y equals x squared. So delta y equals to 7/2 squared minus 3 squared. 7/2 squared will be 7 squared, which is a 49, over 2 squared, which is a 4, minus 3 squared, which is a 9. We will want to get a common denominator between these two to combine them. Let's multiply the 9 by 4 over 4. That gives us 49 over 4 minus 9 times 4, 36 over 4. And 49 minus 36 is 13 over 4. We now want to determine dy. We have the function y equals x squared. Dy is determined by taking the derivative using the dy dx notation. The derivative is the power rule, so we'll bring down the power, subtract 1 from it. We can now separate the differential dy from the dx by multiplying the dx to the right side. And dy will equal to 2x dx. We can replace dx with delta x to give a value for dx, and dy is 2x delta x. So dy will equal 2 times the x value of 3 times the delta x 1/2. 2 times 3 is 6, times the 1/2 is 6/2. And 6/2 comes out to 3. The value for dy should closely approximate the value for delta y. Delta y is 13/4. 12/4 is 3, 13/4 is 3 and 1/4. And dy here is 3, so they are closely equal to the same value.